Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to check if your laptop or PC has a dedicated graphics card. If you want to know whether your system has a powerful GPU like NVIDIA or AMD, or just integrated graphics, this method will help you find out easily. So let's get started. First, open your Start menu. Search for Task Manager and open it. Now click on the Performance tab. Scroll down and click on GPU. Here, you will see your graphics card information. If your system has more than one GPU, you will see options like GPU 0 and GPU 1. You can click on each one to see the details. Usually, integrated graphics will show something like Intel, while a dedicated graphics card will show something like NVIDIA or AMD. Now let's check another method. Open the Start menu again and search for Device Manager. Open it. Now click on the drop-down arrow next to Display Adapters. Here, you will see all the graphics cards installed on your system. If you only see one, then your system likely has only integrated graphics. If you see two or more, then you have a dedicated graphics card along with integrated graphics. So this is how you can check if your PC has a dedicated graphics card. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.